Come with me on a solo date at Tagaytay. The hazelnut one na lang. Guys, ang bilis ng serving time nila. Guys, singit. Perfect. Just bukan ng cast kasi walang tumatanggap na kuya. Wala palang Grab dito.
Walang Grab dito.
Opo, wala pong Grab car or something. Or in-drive din, wala po.
Wala dito. No? Joyride car dapat yun.
Joyride car dapat. Sige kuya, next Tagaytay trip ko. Now I'm here. Nung last kami nagtagaytay, nakita ko na to, pero parang feeling ko ngayon, I'm gonna take a look at it inside. Super ganda oh. One lang. Angelo. Their pastries look so good. Hello, good afternoon. Anong bestseller niyo dito? The hazelnut one na lang. Ayun lang muna for now. May ano yung parang matcha na cake? Guys, ang bilis ng serving time nila. Parang nasa 5 minutes pa lang ako nag-wait dito sa taas. And my order came. I ordered, since nasa Tagaytay ako, Tagaytay exclusive, Taal Volcano Lava Cake na may matcha jeju something. Hazelnut flavored coffee. Oh my god. It's the perfect amount of like sweetness. You can taste the coffee. Kung meron siyang pa-effect na volcano. Ooh. You guys seeing it? Perfect. Yung matcha nila, it tastes like the matcha you get from Kit Kat. This one, 9 out of 10. This one, 9 out of 10 too. So far, this is the best cafe I tried. Okay, bye!